Hey guys! Today we're going to look at how to use the free screen reader included in our Chromebooks. So we're going to click on the bottom right hand corner and then we're going to click on this gear. It's going to pull up settings for us. We'll go ahead and scroll down to accessibility. And then what we want is the text to speech, and we want the one that says select to speak. So we'll go ahead and click and that'll turn that on for us. At the bottom of the screen now we can see this circle right here with kind of a picture of a speaker, and what we're going to do is we're going to click on that and then we're going to click and drag to highlight what we want read.
Elephant.
We can also hit the forward button to have it read the next thing.
Wikipedia. https://en.wikipedia.org wiki.
We can stop it at any time by clicking the X. Then when we want to highlight something else, we'll click it again.
People also ask.
If we want to highlight something new for it to read, we're going to have to hit it twice. We're going to go down and click there twice to turn it off and turn it back on, and then we can highlight something new.
What are 5 facts about elephants?
Again, we can also just hit the forward button if what we want it to read next is the next thing.
Do elephants care for humans?
All right. So that is the exciting screen reader that I think a lot of our students will enjoy using. Thank you so much.